Thanks for joining me today. For another review. Today we are reviewing the Blaux, I think that's how you pronounce it, B-L-A-U-X, Blaux Portable AC F832. My wife bought this as a Father's Day gift for me, and it looks pretty interesting. I mean, portable AC, sure, why not? Because I run hot all the time. Okay, so we're going to do an unboxing and a quick little review of it and go from there. And later on, I will give you an idea of what kind of results we had as far as how cool it made my office, because my office is quite packed with everything from AV equipment to computers to tech to whatever. All right, so let's get with the unboxing. Okay, actually I'm going to give you a little look at the box itself. There's our front. Let's get back out a little. And of course it gives your usual advertising on the box, details about it. Oh, it looks like you need to put some ice into it and close the cover. And that's about all she wrote. And of course the other side. Okay, let's open her up, see what it is. Okay, the unboxing. Looks like C cable USB. Your protective housing, of course. Actual unit itself. Let's get a good grip on this. And of course, your instructions. And that's about all she wrote. That's all. Get a better look at it. All right. All right, the actual unit itself, pretty basic packaging. Your usual fillers. Looks like we got a little fan going on back here. A little water bottle. Looks like a reservoir in case stuff leaks out. Pretty straightforward. So it looks like this comes off. Yeah, let's just put that upside down. Ooh, handy little carrying handle just in case you need it. Okay. Instructions 101. Fill bottle. Take out bottle. Put water in bottle. Put bottle in. How to maximize your cooling by adding ice. Okay, so you don't need to add ice, but you can add ice. Slide the back cover to unlock and then open. Okay, and then put some ice and close the cover. Oh, there we go. So it's a little bit of a push to the side. Oh, isn't that cute? So that's all she wrote. Pretty simplistic design. There's a notice on here. Can't really make out what it says. Let's see here. Let me check this out for you. I don't know if you can make it out yourself, but I'm going to try over here. All right, please keep the unit on a level surface to avoid spills. Do not tilt or turn unit upside down when water tank is attached. For best cooling effect, please soak the water curtain in water before use. And drain and dry unit and water curtain after use. Yeah. You know, they have to write these instructions because obviously people have screwed up in the past. Water curtain. What do they deem a water curtain? Oh, yes, okay. This thing here is a water absorption curtain. So remove the old water absorption curtain. Okay, so open the top cover. Oh, okay, so that opens up and just falls right off. Keep that in mind when you open it up so it snaps in. Get your nail underneath here, open it up, there you go. So here is a water absorption curtain, which you have to give it, a little bit of a yank. Okay, so it's got some memory type, porous type stuff. Current cleaning instructions. So it says, according to this, oh, sorry about shaking your world there. Open the top cover, remove the old water absorption curtain, replace the water absorption curtain, and place the top cover back. Okay, if the fan is not in use for a long time, drain the water from the unit and air dry. So, okay, it looks pretty straightforward. All right, water reservoir, how to replace the water curtain. It's this how to maximize your cooling by adding ice I find interesting. Slide the cover left to unlock, put some ice in and close the cover. Elementary, my dear Watson. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's about it. That is the unboxing. Here's a quick review as to what's going on with this Blaux, I guess, portable AC unit. We are going to put it together, or put it back together for that matter. Pretty sure there's a rhyme or reason for how this is done. And I wonder if there's a certain way it has to go in. Or is it like this? I'm glad the instructions are precise. Nope, just however you could put it in is how you put it in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see how it goes, and I will give it a little review later on to let you know. Technology seems pretty straightforward. Fill a water bottle, add ice if needed. So the water bottle is a push down and turn. All right, so it's not a screw in. So release. It's got a little bit of a springy thing going on there. Push down, turn, boom, away you go. And as far as the power goes, one last thing before we go is right there. You plug in the USB. Simple enough. Comes with a little elasticy thing. So this is great because you could run it off so many different sources. And that's all she wrote. Okay. So I'm going to play with this afternoon because it's a nice warm day. And I'll let you know what my end result is later on. All right. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick little idea of the operation. So I filled the bottle up all the way and I popped it in. Took about half the water out of it. It seems to have stopped. So obviously the water went somewhere. Let's see where the water went to get an idea. So I'm gonna undo this. Oh, water's down the bottom there. So obviously that water is being soaked. Okay, it's being soaked into the memory cells of whatever that substance is in the curtain, as they call it. All right. So let's turn the sucker on and see what happens. Okay, power switch over here. That's not bad. That's the first setting. I don't know if you can hear that. Let's put it up to the next level. That's actually got a pretty good breeze. For such a small unit? Wow, that's pretty good. All right, let's put it to high. So the science behind this is pretty straightforward, but I am going to say this. The cooling's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Okay, just want to show you the operation of it. That is on the high speed. Let's see what this button does. Let's revert back to the instructions. Okay, so the 5 button is a negative ionizer button. Ooh. Number 6 is the fan button. 7 is the ionizer indicator, which, okay, must be that far little light there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so it's an ionizer indicator. Negative ionizer button. Okay, so this is negative ionizer button. Okay, so there's the negative ionizer button. Turns that light green. So that's the highest speed. So that's on. Okay, so that's how that works. Okay, and then that's a negative ionizer button. Huh. That's all she wrote. And we'll leave the negative ionizer button on. Let's see if it makes any difference here. Hang on. That's that. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a difference or anything, but oh, look at that. It adjusts too. You can actually adjust the flow of the air. Okay, I'm gonna let this run for a while. Let you know what kind of results we get. Be back soon. Hey, sometime later, and the reservoir, I'm going to show you here, has completed almost. Oh, there we go. Just the final bit of water has gone down, and of course that has went down as we showed earlier on. If it serves me correctly, push the side, and as you can see, there's still some in there. It's been roughly about an hour and some, so that was some time. This is all soaked, of course, and wet. My experience with this, I would have to say, my closed space office, it was comfortable. I mean, it wasn't crazy cold, but it was comfortable. There was a cold breeze. It wasn't bad. And I'd say for the price point, this device is not that bad. For a personal air conditioner, especially for a small space, with the options and functionality, I would say it's a pretty good buy. So check the description and I'll have a link there to the product and further information. So check that out. You will find a link to the product down there. Feel free to leave a comment. Please like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think, and in the comments also let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.